Hi guys, it's Joe from Prepper in the Woods, and today we're going to look at water bottle survival kits. I put some items in here that might interest you, so let's go to desktop now and have a look. Right, I chose Pathfinder because you can boil water in it. I did have a plastic one, but I want another optional, another way of cleaning water. So let's just have a look quick. Right, so my first item is a Leatherman Wave. And then I wrapped my hard to get items around a hank so I can just pull them out a little bit easier. Right. So next one, I have an emergency blanket. I have a hank there. Got a bit of chocolate to eat. I got I think it's a Charade tactical pen, so you got a glass breaker on one side and you do your normal pen stuff on the other. This is my Rat 2. I like that one. But this one's from RJ Bushcraft. So this is my cordage, and then inside there it has a ferro rod and some tinder to use to start a fire. Got an emergency whistle. Also got a few of these Vaseline cotton ball straws. Got a bit of a light. Some safety pins. Small button compass. Got a lighter. Got a wire saw, sewing kit, fishing kit, got a little first aid kit which is just some plasters and some cleaning wipes, plastic bag, some water cleaning tablets, and then some headache tablets, and that's it. So that's my survival kit in a water container. That was only a 32 ounce one. You can go 64 ounce if you're wanting to, but I'm trying to keep the weight down a bit. Plus you're going to need a bigger bag for more items, so I didn't want to get into that. But let me know in the comment section of what you think you would add to it, because it all depends upon where you live. You might need different needs and, you know, or have kit. I didn't buy none of this kit. This is the kit I had already. So that's another thing to add to it. I like to tag Prepper Dell and Hungry Prepper in this. And they can tag 2 people. But if anybody wants to join in on this, you can. Just get a normal size water bottle and then see what survival items you can put in it. That would be useful. Please like, share, subscribe. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. I hope this was helpful.